is all the meat that I have. France. And leftover seafood, can probably throw this out.
Hi, welcome to my channel and subscribe if this is the first time you are here. This will be a voiceover video of a fridge cleaning and organization, and at the end I will give you a fridge tour. So stay tuned, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Wow, so many eggs. I hope they don't spoil while they're outside. I think I might accidentally be a vegetarian. There's almost no meats in my freezer, as you can see. Just some franks and some leftover seafood. That's it. Now I'm just gonna pull these trays out so I can get to clean them properly. Ooh, this tray is a stubborn one. It's stuck. I haven't cleaned this in a while. Embarrassing. Ooh, finally. I'm just gonna wash these side trays one by one first, and then I'll get back in the fridge and do the other trays. At this point, I'm putting back the side trays and pulling the main trays out to get them clean. I'm working with minimal space to clean these main trays. It's a bit of a hassle, but I'll get it done. Done cleaning the main trays, installing them back, and then I'm gonna go to the freezer and pull these trays out and clean them and then put them back. I left the freezer on and didn't even realize. Comment below if when you're cleaning your fridge you actually turn the freezer off or plug the fridge out. That didn't take long. I'm finished cleaning and I'm gonna install the last piece and then I'm gonna repack the fridge. For all my viewers who are not in Jamaica, this is called a plantain and it's definitely not a banana.
Ooh. Are these supposed to be wet? Do you keep potatoes in the fridge? I'm gonna put these potatoes down in the bottom here.
I have a lot of bananas. If you watch my previous videos, you will know that I love bread. I have so much bread in this fridge. I was definitely worried about these eggs being outside of the fridge for too long and they might spoil, but I think they might be fine. They have a lot of condensation, but I think that's just normal. Like throw this away. This is going into empty. My fridge suddenly looked like there's way more space than before. At this point, I'm wondering if I should throw these onions away. They do look a bit funny. I'm wondering why my fridge looks empty at this point. Am I missing something? Ah, okay, right. Where did I keep the hoisin? Oh, up here. And then I can put the kiwi here. I really don't have any meats. This is all the meat that I have. Prawns. And leftover seafood, you can probably throw this away. Yeah, should probably throw that away. Some imitation crab, you can probably throw that away. And more prawns. And that's it for meats. Oh. Ham slice. So I use this right now. And that's it for my fridge organization tour.